Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Watch S2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Lenovo smartwatch application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. So we need to open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, we need to scroll down, find the Lenovo smartwatch application on the list, tap on it, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, then go back to settings, scroll all the way up, tap on Bluetooth option, find the Watch S2 Pro on the list of devices, tap on the info icon next to it, make sure that the share system notifications is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings, open the Lenovo smartwatch application on your phone. In the app, you can tap on Personal Center, select Watch S2 Pro from the list. Here, scroll down, tap on Message Notification, and right here you can customize the notifications. You can enable them or disable them. You can enable the notifications for calls or other reminders, SMS reminders. So if you receive any call on your phone, the watch will vibrate. If you receive any message on your phone, the watch will vibrate. And also you can enable the notifications for certain apps like WhatsApp, Skype, stuff like that. You can also enable other if you want to receive the notifications from other applications that are not on this list. Once you're done customizing your notifications, you should be able to receive them on your watch. So if you, for example, I'm gonna open the Discord and write myself a message on Discord. As you can see, I got my message on my phone and also on our watch. If you miss the notification on your watch, you can wake it up by pressing the side button and then swiping not downwards, upwards on the main screen to open the notifications menu. You can tap on the notification to view it. You can tap on the bin icon to clear them, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.